This week on Mondays with Milt, we're going to talk about how ISO certification has changed the way we do some things around here. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Today, once again, we're out on the production floor and I'm inside one of our welding booths. Now we've got about 20 to 25 of these booths throughout the facility, and one thing we really pride ourselves on here at WireCrafters is our ISO certification. Part of ISO means that everything has a place. And if you look at this board behind me, we know exactly where the push broom is. We know where different welding tools and templates are. We know where the small hammer is versus the large hammer. We've got the welding pry bar, the scraper, the welding pliers. All of these things are labeled, and whenever they're used, they're brought right back and put on the spot. We do that at every booth that we have here for all the welders. That way we don't have guys running around trying to find tools. Everything is right here, and it makes them so much more efficient. That's the reason we can get product out on time. We can have a much better labor cost because we're not wasting time. If your company's not ISO certified, maybe you should think about it. It really helps bring your costs down. That's all we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.